In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome flickering on Windows. This issue can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, we've got a few simple solutions that should help resolve it. Let's dive into the first fix, which involves disabling hardware acceleration, a common culprit behind the flickering problem. Start by opening Chrome and clicking on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the browser. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Settings. From there, look at the left menu and click on System. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Go ahead and turn this switch off. Once you do this, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch the browser. Make sure to click Relaunch to apply the changes effectively. Disabling hardware acceleration can often resolve flickering issues because it shifts the load from your GPU back to the CPU, which can handle rendering tasks more effectively without causing visual glitches. Moving on to the next potential solution, clearing your browser cache. Sometimes Chrome's cache can accumulate corrupted data, leading to rendering issues. To clear the cache, open Chrome again and press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and Delete simultaneously on your keyboard. This shortcut will bring up the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, you'll want to adjust the time range setting to All Time to clear everything. Then, make sure to check the box next to Cached Images and Files. It's okay to uncheck other options if you don't want to clear them. Once everything is set, click on Clear Data. By removing these cached files, you give Chrome a fresh start to load pages without relying on potentially corrupted data. If you're still experiencing flickering, there's one more method to try: resetting Chrome settings. This step will restore Chrome to its default settings, but don't worry, it won't delete your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. To do this, open Chrome and click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner again. Navigate to Settings, and then look for Reset Settings in the left menu. Click on it, and you'll see the option, Restore Settings to their original defaults. Go ahead and click on that. A confirmation window will pop up where you should click Reset Settings to proceed. Resetting Chrome can clear out any configurations or settings that might be contributing to the flickering issue, essentially giving you a clean slate to work from. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Google Chrome flickering issue on your Windows computer. Whether it's disabling hardware acceleration, clearing your cache, or resetting your settings, these methods cover the most common causes of the problem. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your browsing experience smooth and flicker-free. Thanks for watching.